Welcome guys to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can create videos like the ones you're seeing right now on Sora AI. So the first thing you have to know is your plan, right? So unfortunately you need to be on at least the plus plan. That's going to cost you about $20 per month. And yeah, that's it really. It's not available on the free plan. Now, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is log in, right? So you log in, go on the drop down and you type in Sora, and then you input all your email, your passwords and all that. And then you should be met with a page like this. This is the explore page that shows you, the most liked images for the past day or week. You can see some weird things going on here, like this one. Um, so this is where you want to place your prompt, describe your image. Now, this is what I've created. A futuristic Tokyo street at night, glowing neon signs, light rain falling, people with umbrellas walking past a ramen stand, cinematic style, depth of field, reflection on wet pavement. Okay. Um, then here you can click for your image type. If you want an image, I want a video, then you can type in your aspect ratio. 6 in mana is fine. Then you can type in your resolution. Uh, you can go up to 1080 if you pay $200 per month. You can do 720p within the plan that I'm on, which is the $20 one. But just to keep it as fast as possible for the tutorial, I'm going to leave it at 480p. Then when it comes to length as well, you can go up to 20 seconds. Again, on the $200 per month plan. But for us, we have 10 and 5 available. I'm gonna leave it on 5. Then you can type in the variations, how many variations you want for a given prompt. Again, you can go up to 4, but I'm going to leave it to 1 for this video. Then you also have here the preset. Now, what the preset are essentially the style of video you want. But again, you have cartoon type, you have pixel art, things like that. But I'm going to leave it as none for again the time being. And that's it. Then when that is done, you can click on the arrow, and now it's going to generate your video. And there you go. Here's the video finally done, based on our prompt. You can see the futuristic Tokyo street. You can see the ramen stands. You can see the rain falling down, and it has everything we asked for. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next. Peace.